this is your reduced syllabus of physics for class 12th. In theory, you can open your syllabus scope and mark the part which is deleted from your syllabus. So this is first topic, that is electrostatics. In electrostatics, the electric charge and fields, Coulomb's law, concept of electric field. As it is, these topics are there. There is no change in these topics. Electric lines of forces, then electric dipole moment, Gauss theorem, no change. Now there is a change in the application of Gauss theorem. The application of Gauss theorem over thin hollow spherical shell, inside, on the surface and outside, and graphical variation of electric field with distance from a thin spherical shell. They have deleted this part from the syllabus. Then come to electrostatic potential, potential energy and capacitance. There is no change in this part. Everything is as it is till this point. And then capacitance of conductor, dielectric constant, partially filled dielectric, capacitance of such capacitor as it is. Then current electricity, there is no change. Meter bridge, potentiometer, free electron theory of conduction, as it is, electrical energy consumed in time t. Now come to this part. Derivation of equivalent resistance for combination of resistors in series and parallel. Special case of n identical resistors in series and in parallel. Calculation of equivalent resistance of mixed grouping of resistor. This part is not in the syllabus for this year 2022. Then again, the source of energy of a seat of EMF. This whole part is as it is. Parallel and mixed grouping, parallel combination of two cells, everything is same. Statement and explanation of Kirchhoff law. No change in this part. Then magnetic effect of current and magnetism, no change in this part. Current carrying conductors, definition of ampere as it is. Now magnetism and matter. In this topic, magnetic field intensity due to magnetic dipole, that is a bar magnet on the axial line, equatorial line, torque on a magnetic dipole, that is bar magnet, in uniform magnetic field, bar magnet as an equivalent to the solenoid, magnetic field lines, Earth's magnetic field and magnetic elements, diamagnetic, paramagnetic and ferromagnetic substances with examples electromagnets and factors affecting their strength, permanent magnets. This part is not in this syllabus for this year. Then Oersted experiment, Ampere's circuit law as it is, no change. Force on a moving charge particle, no change. And now change comes here. Simple ideas about principle, working and limitations of a cyclotron. So cyclotron is not in your syllabus this year. Up to Lorentz force your syllabus is. After that, this whole part is as it is, no change. Magnetic field represented by symbol B, definition of magnetic field, Lorentz force as it is. After that, again Earth's magnetic field uniform magnetic field component of Earth over a limited area, component of Earth's magnetic field, horizontal component, vertical component, this whole part is not in the syllabus. Then properties of magnetic material, diamagnetic, paramagnetic, ferromagnetic, this whole part you can cross from your syllabus up to this point. Then electromagnetic induction and alternating current is as it is, there is no change. Mutual inductance, then alternating current V and I, variation of voltage and current in AC circuits, LCR series circuit, everything is as it is, no change. In this part of alternating current also no change. Then change comes in electromagnetic waves. Displacement current is not in the syllabus. Here also, and concept of displacement current here also. Rest everything is as it is. Now in optics, ray optics, reflection of light by spherical mirrors, mirror formula, refraction of light at plane surfaces, total internal reflection and its application, optical fiber, this part is not in the syllabus. Then scattering of light is not in the syllabus. Then in optical instruments, resolving power of optical instruments is not in the syllabus. And this part in detail, the same thing, reflection of light by spherical mirror, not in the syllabus. You can cut this whole part, refraction of light at plane interface, Snell's law, total internal reflection, this whole part is not in the syllabus. Then refraction through prism, minimum deviation and derivation of relation between refractive index of prism, angle of prism and minimum deviation. This part is in the syllabus. Here you can cut simple explanation, Rayleigh theory of scattering, blue color of sky, reddish appearance of sun, at sunrise and sunset, clouds appear white. This part you can cut from your syllabus. Now your syllabus in ray optics starts from refraction at single spherical surface. There is no change, everything is as it is. Only in optical instrument, resolving power of compound microscope and telescope is not in the syllabus. After that, in wave optics, Huygens principle as it is in your syllabus. Then polarization is not in your syllabus in wave optics. Rest everything is as it is. So in detail you can see there is no change. Interference, Huygens principle, diffraction, Fraunhofer diffraction, single slit, everything is as it is. Again, the polarization of light, this whole topic is not in your syllabus. So you can cross the whole polarization topic. Up to this point, law of moles. Then dual nature of radiation and matter, this is again in your syllabus. Only conclusion from Davison and Germer experiment, this experiment is not in your syllabus, and X-ray topic is not in your syllabus. Otherwise, wave particle duality, photoelectric effect, Hertz observation, Einstein's photoelectric equation, particle nature of light, matter waves, wave nature of particles, de Broglie's relation, everything is in syllabus. So, this photoelectric effect topic is as it is in your syllabus. This de Broglie's hypothesis, then de Broglie's wavelength up to h upon p and h upon mv, this part, this whole is in syllabus. Now you can cut Davison and Germer experiment. Qualitative description and experiment and conclusion, everything is cut. And whole X-ray topic is not in your syllabus. Right? And then Bohr's atomic model, atoms and nuclei. This whole part is as it is in your syllabus. There is no change in Bohr's atomic structure. Then in nuclear physics also, there is everything in your syllabus till this point. Production as examples. Radioactivity topic is not in your syllabus. The whole radioactivity topic is crossed. So half-life, this whole part is not in your syllabus. The nuclear energy. This whole topic is as it is, binding energy, everything. Nuclear fission, fusion, everything is as it is. Electronic devices, this part is as it is. Semiconductor diode, VI characteristic, forward reverse biasing, diode as rectifier, special type of diodes, junction diode, LED, photodiode and solar cell. Up to this point, syllabus is as it is. Now Zener diode is not in your syllabus. The whole Zener diode is omitted. Junction transistor is also cancelled. Then logic gates in physics. Now this is not in your syllabus for 2022. So semiconductor, everything is in your syllabus on this part. Only Zener diode is cut and transistor is not in your syllabus. Whole topic is not. And then gates. Then this small topic, communication system, this is also not in your syllabus now. In practical work and project work, there is no change. 15 marks practical work and 15 marks project work is as it is. So mark the part which is not in your syllabus and specify what is now for this year 2022 in your board exam syllabus.